What's up, everybody? This is Steven with Steve Snaketuary. Part of our mission statement is to eliminate fear through education. Now, I've got someone here that is deathly afraid of snakes. I've talked to her several times about snakes, but she really does not like snakes, okay? But I've talked to her, I've educated her about snakes, and here we are. We're gonna eliminate that fear. We're gonna help eliminate that fear and get her over that fear of snakes, because there's nothing to be afraid of with snakes. I know they can be a little intimidating, maybe a little scary if you don't know that much about them, but we're here to eliminate that fear. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna help Miss Jan get over her fear of snakes. Come on, Miss Jan. Now I've got some of my firefighter brothers and paramedic brothers here to help us out. Okay, so they're going to help us out too. So I'm going to get all my guys over there to come help us out. So here's what we're going to do, Miss Jan. We've got a red tail boa that we're going to get out, and we're going to help her hold this to get over her fear. So here's what we're going to do. You guys go ahead and get on that end. Now look, I got the head. Just come on, get right here in the middle.
She's opening her eyes. I see her.
I'm not going to do nothing. You're okay. Just first.
You got her, Dan? It's a
You vicariously touching the snake?
Just touch it first. It'll be all right. I don't want to hurt you. Everybody sit back.
I'm scared. Hey.
Get on this end. He's holding the end right here.
Yeah. He's holding the end that can do something to you.
I'm not going to let it do anything to you. I'm going to be way over here.
He has the head. Miss Jan, he has the head. You got it.
I'm just showing you that it's not a hard thing.
It can't hurt you.
You grab your two fingers right there.
It can't hurt you now, Miss Jan. He got the head.
Oh, yeah?
Come on. You got this, Miss Jan.
Wait. Now look at it. Look at it while you're doing it.
It's just a big muscle.
It's not helping it all. Miss Jan.
It's moving right here.
Look,
It's stripping just a little bit.
We got him. Come on, you're okay.
You got this.
Stretch it out. Now look, he's not going to hurt you. I got it way over here. I just want you to get right here. That's all I want you to do.
I'm nervous. It's a friend. I'm not all together. You got this, Miss Jan. Yes, you can't pretend it's a wiggly vine. She did it. It's just afraid of stop. It's just afraid of you as you're afraid of it.
That's all right.
You can pass out. You doing well?
That's not bad.
Take a slow breath.
It's okay.
Good job, Miss Jan.
Great.
You got this, Miss Jan. You only have to hold it for 30 more seconds. Yes, 30 more.
Okay. All right, everybody congratulate Miss Jan. She actually put the snake.